I want to tell you about modern technology and its implication for the environment. In my opinion, technology advance contributed a lot to the development of society and process in all aspects. These are factors such as time, distances, and process are faster and more effective, and at a global level, many more things are developed. On the other hand, we cannot ignore the negative impact and effects as daily on the environment. These are caused much global warming, waves, networks, and energies that this expels daily to as agglomerates on and their acquisition is terrible damage for humanity because the world lives cake 24 hours a day through this technology. The planet does not rest and time passes increasingly degrading the planet. It has both as diseases such as, for example, since the heart, the bones be exposing them so much to the waves of desert device and as enveloped as so much that is practically unreason for buying. We cannot live without it so much so that we value and need technology more than other people, no matter how close they are to us of feeding ourselves for other actions we must take. We are allowing both a healthy planet and healthy people, and it is very worrying for society to continue living like this. I believe that if current trend is technological development and consumers continue, everything will be easier for those who have the opportunity to acquire and implement technological process. His will be rapid urbanization, increasing level of consumption, much faster industrial process, but the world will be in serious global problems due to the scarcity of natural resources that will increase population growth will cause more poverty to be seen, especially in developing countries, and economic growth will only be for people who have the power of decent technology and environment. That is the one that provides will of the natural resources that we hope. Of the not care what is happening with most people to concrete measures and take actions through climate policies generating fairness in each process that is carried out and forcing those who handle the technology to implement it in an ecological way. It recommendations in drastic, fast and effective measures to save the planet. It is something that concerns environment, and if you are already suffering the consequences, we must think about our children and grandchildren who will experience something worth learning, that is rare cultures and this moment to prime if visualize the animals that are becoming extinct and the forests that they cut down unit measure are a source of oxygen, food, habitat, and many more things not said can generate. There is time to want to have a truly sustainable development that benefits all on the quickest possible way along as to be kinder to the environment.